got our gigantes in the incubator. And in the hatcher, we got the smallest birds in the world. They've been here for 3 days and they ain't done nothing. About to give up on them. And what do you know? Pray from God. Couple prayers to God. And look at that. God is good all the time. See if I can show y'all what I'm looking at. That is a pip. That is a pipping chick on eggs that are right now past their due by 3 days. That is a pip. And if you look back here, that is a pip. That is a pip right there. So that's 2 different eggs. And then I thought I seen another pip somewhere. Hold on. Now if you look way back here, and you focus on the top, very top, it looks like there's a discretion. But I know for a fact, that is a pip from the inside out, right there, buddy. And then that other one right back there, that sure looks like a pip to me too. Come on, little baby. Break on through to the other side. Oh, there he goes. Oh my God. Break on through to the other side. Yeah. Smallest babies in the world. And we got the gigantes in the incubator. So we're going to have the smallest and the biggest chickens in the world. All on the same farm. Break on through to the other side, yeah. Come on, Lord, help them break on through. Break on through. Break on through to the other side, yeah. You can do it, buddy. Break on through, buddy. Come on, break on through. Then maybe the quails will wake up too. We got to break on through to the other side, yeah. Here we go. Break on through. Got to break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side, yeah. I prayed to God that we would just at least get a male and a female. That way we can have babies on the farm. And God is good all the time. Because these eggs are really expensive. I mean, let's just say it this way. You could have bought 100 store-bought eggs for the price of probably one of these eggs. Come on, buddy, break on through to the other side. There's our other one. Come on, little buddy, you can do it, you can do it. They just waited for me to come in here, and then they wanna act out. Come on, big buddy, you can break on through to the other side. Break on through to the other side, yeah. You got to break on through to the other side. I am so excited. God bless y'all. Thank y'all for following us. Peace.